Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping, the business model that's got everyone buzzing. But is it all sunshine and rainbows, or is it just a recipe for disaster? The dropshipping dream. Imagine this, you're chilling on the beach, laptop in hand, sipping a margarita or your beverage of choice, while your online store rakes in cash. Sounds pretty sweet, right? That's the dream many dropshipping gurus paint. But the reality, folks, is a little more complex. Debunking dropshipping lies. So let's address some common myths. Myth number 1, dropshipping is easy money. Reality, while it requires less upfront investment than traditional retail, dropshipping is still a business. It takes effort, research, and strategic marketing to succeed. Myth number 2, you can pick any random product and make millions. Reality, finding a profitable niche is crucial. You need to identify products with high demand, low competition, and decent profit margins. The magic formula, keys to dropshipping success. Now, here's the magic formula for building a thriving dropshipping business. Number 1, choose a niche you're passionate about. Passion fuels your research and marketing efforts. Number 2, find reliable suppliers with high-quality products. Don't skimp here, your reputation depends on it. Number 3, build a user-friendly online store with clear product descriptions and engaging visuals. Number 4, master the art of marketing. Utilize social media, influencer partnerships, and content marketing to reach your target audience. Number 5, provide exceptional customer service. Be responsive, helpful, and build trust with your customers. Remember, success doesn't usually happen overnight, so be patient, consistent, and keep learning. Dropshipping can be a lucrative business model, but remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're willing to put in the work, learn the ropes, and stay dedicated, you can launch your online empire today. Get started with Shopify, link in description. Like this video if you're inspired, and comment below with your biggest questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and tricks.